None of the world's economic systems have eliminated our most dire problems. All social arrangements to date have remained plagued with war, poverty, crime, racism, elitism, and most of all, scarcity. Today we have highly advanced technologies, but our social and economic system has not kept up with our technological capabilities, which could otherwise easily create a world of abundance for all people, free of servitude and debt.
This system will keep installing more and more automation, cutting down on the purchasing power of the majority of people.
It's not China taking our jobs away. It's not India taking our jobs away. The machine has beaten the man.
There will come a time called the Gaussian curve, where employment is that, production is this, and purchasing power is that. The system stops.
Our problems and their solutions are technical, not political. Most problems can be solved when technology and the methods of science are used with human and environmental concern to serve all people rather than a select few.
It'll all be based on a form of dynamic equilibrium. That means operating everything at the highest potential without environmental neglect.
When we unleash science and technology directly into the social system without the restrictions of the marketplace, finances, or patents, we could achieve a very high standard of living within a very short period of time.
We have the brains, the know-how, the technology, and the feasibility to build an entirely new civilization.